Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I did this 12 by 24 inch last night, and hopefully you just saw part one, and I am contemplating doing things to it. Starting with some black, actually starting with some Tuscan Sun and some Frozen, which is what I just did over here, but I want to accentuate the positive, and I'm not sure what I'm doing at all, but I'm gonna do it anyway. This is some Mayan gold. I just have a few muddy areas that I'm not super thrilled with, and something tells me a few lines aren't going to hurt me any. I've also got little pieces of stick. I'm not sure how they'll work, but I'm kind of interested to find out. I think I need smaller pieces of stick, to tell you the truth, and I might have them. I'm certainly not going to have enough time to finish everything that I'd like to do. But I'd like to start and see how it goes. And if I catch it quick enough, I can always wipe it off in my bucket. I was thinking I would like to add some geometric shapes to this, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. But right now, I guess I'm going to find out. I could do the same with the gold. I'm inclined towards some orange. Although there seems to be a lot of orange. I really wanted to put some white in, but I'm a little bit of a quandary as to what kind of white I want to put in, because I don't think I want it to be Artist Loft or Meeden. Let's try a little Chantilly lace if it's open. I've got some French silk if it's not. This one's got a widened cap on it. That might be a little dangerous. I like the white. I'm not sure I care much about this. Over here, some of the colors got a little bit muted. I have to sort of just give myself permission to play. And I am quiet. And I'm thinking pink. I'm actually thinking Pink Lady, which is a different color than any I've used in here already. I'm already liking it better than I liked it. Helps if I can get the top all the way open. I mean, it's as busy can be, truthfully. So what do you really want to do with busy? You want to calm it down, right? That was my theory until a minute ago. Maybe you just want to make it busier still. Maybe that's me. I'm not minding having some paint. Some color on my spatula. I think I have a small toothy tool. It might be easier than making marks like that. Yeah, I like the toothy tool. So that's going to be a plan for part of this. I'm thinking purple. I don't know why. And I'm really thinking larger spatula too. So let me do that. Larger spatula and toothy tool. Because from bizarre to really bizarre is not a huge leap. I'm wondering about the gold. I think the gold would be nice. I'll have to take some of the black off first. Sorry, I might be out of your vision, out of your line of sight. I'll try and move in. I'll wipe that off. I want the skinny ones. No, I want the wide ones. Yes, that's making me really, really happy. Surprise! Not when I drop my paint bottles though. I could almost stop now. I'm close. I'm thinking maybe a little bit of the blue velvet isn't going to hurt my feelings either. Cool. I'm definitely thinking blue velvet, and I'm also thinking probably some of the frozen. Yes. And what do I have to spread that with? I've got playing cards. That'll work. Oh, I really like the frozen in there. And I'll use my residuals right there, because I don't think that'll hurt anything. I hope not anyway. What here? Maybe some black? No, I'm not sure I like that. But that doesn't mean I have to keep it either. Looks more like a patchwork quilt than a painting right now. I still want some of that blue velvet. And I'm really liking this a lot. Like excessively more than I thought. These are Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, by the way. They're on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Okay, I thought I'd be clever, but I'm not sure I'm up for clever right now. I'll try it anyway. No, I just want straightforward. Well, whatever. Not really straightforward, I guess. I like the waggles. The waggles make me really happy. And my residuals make me happy too, and I think I'm done. I could put a little bit more pink, excuse me, I was going to say pink diamond, but I meant Chantilly lace. Not sure about those. But they're just about as easy to get rid of as anything. I think I'm going to have to do something there though. Any place left to put that? Little checks. Cool. I'm really happy with that. I wasn't super thrilled that I had overworked the other one, and I'm not sure I'm 100%. I lie sometimes about being done. Cool. So close. And yet so far away. Super. I'm so happy you guys were here. Thank you for watching. If you watch my videos longer, you help me out. If you give me a thumbs up, you help me out. When your comments cheer my morale, it's just naturally something I'm really appreciative of. Thank you so much. When you make a donation, you help support the production of videos. And that's extremely helpful too. I'm looking for caps. I'm going to try and zoom in for you. Not that there isn't a lot of cool stuff going on in there. And I cannot show you all of it. But it's very cool now. Oh, I love it. I love the patterns. Let's see if I can shimmer anything at you at all. There's more black and gold added than anything, really. Well, in any case, let's just zoom out. Tell you I love you. Tell you there's over 2,400 videos, and if you're interested, go to my channel, playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and I'm going to see if I can do anything with the light at all. I can't remember a single thing right now. I'm supposed to tell you about my Gallerist on my Linktree and my Pinterest and my Instagram and my Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. There, we got some drama anyway. I'm so glad I did that. That was a lot of fun. I totally recommend just playing with something that you're not completely satisfied until you are. And I'm not sure, this light's not helping me at all. But I'm really tempted to to be crazy. And turn on my flashlight. Can I light that up for you? Sort of, kinda. Alright, whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. I'm not sure I want to sell this anymore, but I do sell my artwork. It's got great mark making. It's got great Prizm pours. Don't forget the 20% off coupon code underneath the video for all Colour Arte products. That looks like something that doesn't belong. I will be torching. Woo! I don't need 3 minutes to tell you that I appreciate you and thank you for your kind words and lovely comments and all your donations that have helped keep me going in the past. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Sort of, kind of. I'm trying to get out. It's not working very well. Turn that back on. I'll try it without that. See how that goes. No, it's still not going to do it. All right. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.